Welcome to Good Food. Here you can find vegetarian and vegan food recipes. In this video we are going to see how to cook horse gram rasam. It's a traditional South Indian dish made from horse gram called as kollu in Tamil. Many people think horse gram is for horse. A South Indian used to feed the horse with kollu. But horse gram is a very healthy food for us as well. It is rich in nutrients and minerals like phosphorus, calcium, protein, iron. It has got some medicinal benefits as well, like you can get weight loss, good for liver, removes kidney stone, glows your skin. This food will increase your body temperature and reduces cold symptoms, improves your immune system. You can have this with rice or drink this as a soup on its own.
The ingredients for the horse gram tamarind soup, that is in Tamil it says kollu rasam. I'm using 1 lemon size of tamarind. I've soaked the tamarind for half an hour. The other thing is I've got the drained horse gram water, that is I've cooked the horse gram. I've drained the water for the rasam. I've just taken 1.5 tablespoon of mashed horse gram, and I've got 10 cloves of garlic, 1 tomato and chopped curry leaves, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of jeera, that is cumin seeds, and 1 teaspoon of salt. You can add salt to your taste. Let's see how to cook the rasam now.
Now for the rasam, I'm crushing the black pepper, cumin seeds first. I'm using this mortar and pestle to crush this pepper and cumin seeds. You don't have to crush to a fine powder. You can leave it cold. Now you can add the garlic, peel the garlic and crush them along with the pepper and cumin powder.
Now let's start preparing the rasam. I've got 320 ml of tamarind water. The tamarind which I soaked, I showed you before. I just extracted the tamarind water, adding 320 ml of water. So the water is ready now. I'm going to add the chopped tomatoes. You can crush the tomatoes if you want. I'm going to add 1.5 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon turmeric powder. So give it a stir and I'm going to boil it. Boil the tamarind water until the tamarind raw smells go. Just boil for 5 minutes. Bring it to boil for 5 minutes, yeah? Let's wait. Now for seasoning. Let the tamarind be boiled. In the meantime, we can do the seasoning. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of ghee. You can even add oil if you want. Let the oil be heated. The ghee is been heated. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Let the mustard seeds be popped. Be careful when the mustard seeds are popping. Once the mustard seeds are popped, I'm going to add 1 red chilli into half. Give it a stir. Keep it in a low flame. I'm going to add the chopped curry leaves. finally I'm going to add the crushed black pepper, cumin seeds and garlic. When you fry this in a ghee, it gives a very nice aroma and it is especially good for health as well. Give it a stir and give the tamarind water a big stir please. So the tomatoes need to be cooked. That's why I'm boiling it for 5 minutes. You can even smash the tomatoes before you boil the tamarind water. So I'm keeping this ready to add at last. Just stir it until the raw smell of garlic goes off. Don't fry too long, just 1 minute. Keep on stirring. And now wait, switch off the flame. We'll keep this aside. We're going to add this at last. Now the tamarind water has been boiled for 5 minutes. I'm going to add the filtered cooked horse gram water, which is drained water. This is approximately 350 ml. We added this. I've got 1.5 tablespoon of mashed cooked horse gram. I'm going to add this as well. You can add more water if you want. I'm going to add another 1 cup, that is 160 to 200 ml water I'm going to add. Now can you see the water has come to boil. Now I'm going to add the final garlic, pepper, cumin and the seasonings all together. I'm going to add some more water. Can you see the bubbles coming in here? Now it's time to switch off the flame. Can you see the bubbles over here? So don't leave it to boil from now on. You can switch off the flame. If you wish, you can add fresh coriander leaves.
Kollu rasam is ready now. It's a horse gram soup. It's ready. Let's taste how it has come out. Tastes very good. It tastes chunky and spicy. As they have added a tamarind, horse gram water, garlic, black pepper, cumin seeds, and mustard seed. It has got tremendous medicinal value. It can improve the immune system. You can take this as a remedy for a cold. Please try this rasam and leave the comments. Thank you for watching this video.